Maybe it's because I've never doodled caffeine. I've only drawn finished work of caffeine. You know what? We're just gonna do something really fast and loose. That's why it's not even true. Well, I doodled him while I was trying to figure out his design, which I guess isn't exactly the same thing. Oh, oh shoot! Ads are playing. I forgot to chat. I forgot to say that the ads are starting. 3 minutes of ads. Fight back pre-rolls. I'll miss you. Please come back if you watch the stream. If you watch the ads, support the stream. Ah, ah. Oh, I'll sing one song and hops on Magma. Yay! I like Boggy. I'm happy to get Boggy time. I'll do my wrist stretches at my next appointment. Then I'll try to work my iPad on slow internet. Yay! To be fair, it is like drawing. It should be okay. It's not like it's doing anything like super intensive. Does he have a forked tongue? I forget. No, he has a triangle tongue. Caffeine looming looming over the Eeping Dell and Dupe to tell you to he threw up. Hey guys, I threw up. Guess the song I'm gonna blast out. Is it From the Start, Good Kid? Because if it's not, it should be. Dua Lipa. Hell yeah. Kiss and Make Up. Ah. Wall is Oscar acceptable. I fucking love Wall. Wall is so good. Oh, I just realized they made Caffeine's hair flop to the right, or like stick up to the right. Wait, no, it's supposed to be. Oh, I don't remember. It's gonna do this. I'm gonna shit what is Blackpink singing later. I wish you good luck, because I'll be honest, her vocal range is so hard to work with. Um, it's fading, the twilight sky. So just to me, there's no time. It's absurd as daydream. The song is so good. I really don't know how to draw caffeine.